What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here it is, the brand new Artura. Sorry for the wait. You know, these cars when they come in, you can tell it's pretty fresh. You know, they get PDI'd, man. So if you ever worked at a dealership or anything like that, you know, PDI, especially in these new sports cars, they take kind of long. You gotta do a great inspection. You know, here at Mclaren Chicago, my boys be doing amazing inspections. They really look over the car, everything's fine for the new customer. I'm pretty sure this car is sold. We're gonna wash it. I'm gonna give you a review of this Artura because I'm actually new. I really don't know much about the Arturas. They're really fresh that came out, so you and me are gonna learn about this car. Let's get started and get it cleaned. All right, just finished washing it. This is the key. I mean, I don't know why they changed it. If you're a McLaren owner or a previous McLaren owner or ever hold the key, these are either carbon in the back. It's usually like customized or cool or it matches the color. You go into all this little plastic. This gives me infinity key fobs. I mean, the emblem's cool, but just got finished washing it. Don't mind the mess, it's just tape. All right, so open the bonnet twice. There you go. Lift up, and what you get is your car cover, the manual, a little chalk, front license plate bracket, some tools, and you get your McLaren charger. This is the charger you get. Pretty cool, huh? It does come with a port, so you can charge it in your house. Close that in a bit. Alright, I have these open because now the charging port is in this side. That's weird, the lighting was low. You charge the port here. And now your gas tank is on the other side. Usually over there, but not on this side. So this is your gas. That's to be charge your hybrid battery. To open, it's down right here. Nice. All right, let's check inside. This is the interior. Look, I didn't even do nothing. These new cars, man, I'm telling you. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, that is on. That's what that is on. And to make it, to hear it, you gotta tap this and this twice down. Let me show you. There you go, you tap it twice. That is on spark mode. Let me show you how it sounds. Great. Sounds pretty good. Fast track. I'm still new, so look, I'm still trying to figure this out. Like, okay, that's on. I mean, that's not officially on. That's just the press the brake to start it. So now, this new McLaren model has Apple Carplay. You have USB there, and you have your new one. I forgot what's that called. Sorry. There goes your cup holder, bro. Imagine a cup holder, bro. Look at this. So small. Like, what could he put in there? Get your little McLaren emblem. This is new. The radio.
At Brookfield Zoo's Ice Age Giant.
And this is a pretty base package, but I've seen other ones that have like ambient lighting inside, and it looks sick, man. And the audio on this car, they sound amazing. It sounds great. Let's see, so go home, press this button right here. Just to go home, right here, press the button. See, got driver position. Cool. Go back. Let me see if I can show you settings. Let's go to lighting. Entry lighting. No. That's not it. Don't know where the lighting for the inside is. But I'm pretty sure this is the base package, so it doesn't have the ambient lighting. But damn, yeah, the base online. This is cool about McLaren. Look, it has a little helmet if you want the your right here. That's cool. Got quick cool, quick heat, front, rear. Work it like this. Go home. Media. There's your radio. Remember, this is your volume.
With its brand, like...
Then you got this. You can check your settings. Obviously, you got low fuel right now. Navigation. It's a tire pressure. Radio. Battery and the hybrid battery. Trip. Launch control. Connect phone. Got messages, oil, battery, 12-volt service. You got all that, man. You got trunk. The trunk is open. Basically, the bonnet. The bonnet's open, not the trunk. The trunk is in the rear. That's the bonnet. Same thing with all McLarens. You have drive, neutral, and rear, hazards. You got your parking brake here. You got your left. Unlock, bonnet open, controlling your headlights. And you got control your mirrors. Your mirrors are always going to be here no matter what in any McLaren. And then you got the light in here. But it's weird. This car's kind of... So that's off. But this will stay on until you lock it. You got Alcantara. Is your emergency, if your car is off, you need to open the door. It's right here. It's usually right here. You'll see that in other videos. But let's check it out. Close this. Looks sick, right? Comment down below, man. What color will you get this brand new McLaren Artura? What color will you pick? To be honest, it doesn't look bad in white and black. Imagine that was carbon. But this looks amazing. I'll do like forest green and like, I don't know, man. I'll do something crazy. But the color you got is silica white. You're looking at $239,745. The most expensive thing on this car is this. The transportation port process charges, $4,500. And then this sport exhaust, $4,450. Damn, bro, you want to sport exhaust? It costs you 4 G's, almost 5 G's, man. And 10-spoke forged alloy wheels. They don't tell you that. Pretty much a basic package, bro. But it looks good, man. So V6 is not a V8 no more. So what do you think? For a V6, will you pay $250, or you get like a twin turbo V6, like a GTR? I mean, I gotta see, but this is cool, man. I mean, I seen some other Arturas. They're like yellow, red, black, and it's cool. They look cool, but so far this is it. You want to see more pictures and all that stuff? Follow McLaren Chicago at their website. That's cool. I like this. This looks like my grill at home. I can't wait for people to spec this car crazy. Hopefully someone does like a crazy cool spec, like 1 of 1 or some cool ass shit, man. Because these look so different. This basically replaces the 570. It looks amazing. I like it. It's cool. I'm still freshly new to these cars. Or everybody in the dealership or anybody that's, I gotta study more about this car, but it's pretty cool, man. Like I said, I'll probably do like some forest green and carbon, or I don't know, man. I'll do something crazy. But you got so much options with McLaren. They'll do like some crazy shit. That's why I like McLaren so much. They do some crazy builds. But comment down below, man. What would you take? You take this McLaren Artura. It feels so weird that you can't hear the car. But this is how the rear camera looks like. I do not like the rear camera. It looks so weird. But and the seat controls are on this side now. That's pretty cool. I like this Alcantara. Look at the speakers, pretty good, pretty big. Looks like we're running out of gas, so we're gonna put some gas on this thing. Remember to park it right here. Put it on neutral. Pull the brake. Here, it's parked. And the emblem's not here anymore. That's kind of sucks. It's right here. But it'd be cool if it said like a Turo or something. You know, it's stuff like that, man, you can build. You just never know. You can just be 1 of 1, you know? But thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please share the video or like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to your boy. Always would try my best to give you the most coolest content while it's getting colder and colder here in Chicago, and there's not much you can do, man. And I miss 2 cars and coffee, yo. I miss 2 cool cars and coffee. Because in the side, like I said, in the side, on the weekends I do detailing. And you want to book a detail with me if you're in the Chicago area, it's at the Mint Wash on Instagram. That's my detailing business. And that's just me, man. Just I like what I do, and I'm gonna show you what's cool about these cars. So like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one. I might record about the bike. I don't know yet, but I'm trying to get blog more. I'm trying to show you guys more, and just this lifestyle in the city, man. Chicago is a whole different culture down here. And it's cars. You don't see this, man. Like I said, you do not see this. So I'm here to show you. So thanks, like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.